if I had my way, mate. He'll be straight in that final.
Oh, right.
So, you're in character, yeah? Ooh,
Yeah.
piercing eyes. Okay. And you travelled all the way up from
East Grinstead in Sussex.
Grinstead in Sussex! They're right behind you, mate. Okay, let's see if we can get to the 5-minute mark. It's Basil Bottler! Here we go.
Hello, my name's Basil. You must have seen that film, Total Recall, with Arnold Schwarzenegger. Do you remember when he ended up on the surface of Mars and he didn't want to be there?
Set yourself a high bar there, Basil. Heimlich maneuver, cough it up, spit it out, that's what Heimlich's all about.
My tribute to Henry Heimlich, the inventor of the world's greatest ever manoeuvre. I went to the doctor the other day. He said to me, "I'm not seeing you for a long time." I said, "I know, I've not been well." Yesterday, a horsefly landed on my arm, but he did a little cough and he sounded all right again. Oh, Schwarzenegger on Mars. Yeah, just let them deflate.